Are you tired of boring pasta salads? Well, pasta salads do not have to be boring. You can actually make delicious pasta salads that'll be the star at your next dinner or family cookout. Today, I'm showing you 3 vegan, gluten-free pasta salads, so unique and delicious, they're guaranteed to steal the spotlight at every summer party. I'm using a new gluten-free pasta brand, and I'm really liking it. It's light, holds up great in cold salads, and just feels so much better on my stomach. I always cook it al dente so it doesn't get mushy, especially for pasta salads like these. After the pasta is cooked, be sure to rinse it so that it doesn't stick together when you make your pasta salad. If you have celery that have the leaves attached to it, actually like we have in Mexico, which is great, you can actually chop these up and put them in a soup. You can use them in salad. They taste delicious. They have a little sweet but a little bitterness to them, but they're absolutely delicious. And you can also saute them in a stir fry. I couldn't find any fresh dill out here, so we're going to substitute that with some fresh chives. Hey guys, ever wonder how to make plant-based eating effortless? Well, my 30-day plant-based meal plan is the answer for you. With over 39 plant-based recipes, it takes the guesswork out of mealtime, saving you time and ensuring that you enjoy nourishing meals every day. So let's simplify healthy eating together. So we're gonna grill our peaches just to get a little bit of color on them and get that little bit of a caramelization flavor on each peach. And I have not used this little grill pan before. Put a little bit of oil on there and we're gonna see what happens. The peaches are all done grilling. I'm gonna let them cool off and we're gonna go ahead and make our pesto. There you have it, 3 unique vegan gluten-free pasta salads guaranteed to wow your taste buds and impress everyone at your next cookout. If you're loving this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more plant-based goodness. And watch my playlist right here for more summer meal ideas. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.